Perplexity recently launched their new feature, which is Perplexity Pages. Now, you must be wondering, what is this new feature? So, in the official Perplexity blog, we have the answer to that. So, Perplexity Pages is the easiest way to create beautifully designed, comprehensive articles on any topic that you want. So, if you scroll down on their article, you can see that if you're not a writer, it's not a problem because Perplexity can do that for you. And you can create a page from a thread, or you can create it from scratch over at their web app or their mobile app. And as for media and customization, you can just add text, media, or you can make it hybrid and add text and media with alignment. This seems really cool, and I personally think that this is going to be the best way for researchers to write their research papers. And I say that because there are going to be sources displayed on the pages, which means that for researchers it's a plus point. And I personally think that it will be better if we jump right into it and actually try this out. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Hi and welcome back to SkillCurb. This is your host Shamrez, and we're finally getting to the fun part. So we are here at the Perplexity's web app, and for some reason I do not have the option of creating a new page. There should be a plus button right here, but I found a way to get a new page, which is by pasting this URL right here, which is available in the Perplexity's official blog. There you go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a page about how AI started and how it has an impact on our society. So I'm going to say my article is about how AI started and how it impacts us. I personally think this is a really important topic. As for the audience, you can choose anyone, beginners or experts. It's really up to you which audience scope you want to tackle. But for me, I'm just going to leave it at anyone. And before creating this, there are some suggestions here from which you can choose, but I'm just going to go and create my own. So let's go and do that. So there you go. It's actually outlining the whole article. We have the introduction, and then we have the later sections which are being generated. And we also have this featured image here, which is Google DeepMind. And it was captured from this link. So we have the citation as well. So there you go. And the cool thing about Perplexity Pages is that you can add any section anywhere. So if I want to insert a section here and I don't know what it's going to be about, what I can do is I can choose any of the suggestions here. Let's say birth of artificial intelligence here. And if I plus that, it's going to write that section for me. How cool is that, right? I mean, I'm in total love with this tool and this new feature. And what you can do is you can click on this layout here, and it will change the layout of this whole thing. You can have small header image. This is how it would look. And you can even have a no header image. But I think the large header image is way cooler, for me at least. And you can change the headings. You can add media here. Let's go and find media. So it's going to find the media for you. It's going to add that. And you can change that media by clicking here. So we have all the suggested photographs here. And I can choose any of these photographs. So let's say I want to choose, let's go with this photograph here. So I'm going to add that. Works totally fine with me. And I think this is really cool. I mean, I can add media for each and every section. By clicking here, it's going to find the media over the internet and it's going to add that. And I can change anything, anytime. Really amazing, right? Let's go and add that. I think this is enough for this experimental article that we are creating, but let's go and preview this, how it's going to look. So this is how it's going to look once we publish this. So AI origins and impact. There you go. We have the media. It looks really cool. And we have the related topics, but let's go and actually publish this. Now a page is published in the library over at Perplexity, but what I can do is I can copy the link for my page and share it wherever I want. I can share this over WhatsApp, X or Twitter, and Facebook as well, which is really convenient for me. So this was a quick video about Perplexity Pages. I found this out recently and I really wanted to share this with you guys because this is really helpful for me as a computer science researcher and student. And I think this is something that's going to boost your productivity to a whole another level. So I will highly encourage you to actually get into it and try this out. This is really a cool feature, and you must have noticed that I'm using the Perplexity free version. I'm not using the pro version. So this means that this feature is available for free as well. So go ahead and experiment with this. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Ring the notification bell to never miss out on our daily updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay curious and keep exploring.